In this video we will understand the default groups which gets created when we create organization and projects. So the first point is this organization is also called project collection, okay, and the other thing is this project is also called as team project, okay. These two points we should remember, because these are like keywords which are like used different places. Now here it is not called org administrator, it is called project collection administrators. Okay, so when we create organization, we get these set of default groups. Here if you see in this section, I'll give the link. The default security group, at the project level we get these set of groups, and at the organization level we get these set of groups. And as mentioned over here, we typically use these three groups mainly to manage the users, okay. So to manage users or group, or to add them, we typically use this readers group, contributors, and project administrators, okay. Now we'll see what they basically do. So for project collection administrator, now if we add you, so the permissions to this group is like all these, what the members of this group can do. So if we add these members in the high level, it has the description given over here is like the members of this group can perform all the operations which are at the team project collection level. So they can perform all the permissions like given in this organization level. They can delete the process, okay. So they can select this, and they can create new team project, and then they can set the default processes and so on, okay. So likewise these different groups has different set of permissions assigned to them. Those people or the users who are part of these groups can perform actions at the organization level, okay. Now if we go to the project level on permissions, so by default we get these groups as shown here, okay. Now it's always recommended to use the default groups and not to create some custom groups and manage the groups and users. And here the members of this group can create pipelines and build give permissions to the running pipelines. It says create, modify, delete build definitions, so that pipeline definitions, manage queued and completed builds, okay. So in this one, if they go here, they can create the pipelines, they can manage the pipelines which are there in the queue, okay. And contributors, they can as mentioned here, they can do all these things. Readers will have limited access. Project administrators, they can perform everything, but the only thing they cannot do is they cannot go back to the organization level and create new project. So I highly recommend you to go through these in more detail. I think that's it for this video. here I'll give the link of these two documents in the description of this video. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.